If you want to take a screenshot without using buttons on POCO F8 Ultra, then we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. You can, for example, use 3 fingers and swipe from the top towards the bottom. Slide down like this in order to capture a full screenshot. You can also press and hold 3 fingers on this screen in order to then select the area that you want to capture, so you can capture a partial screenshot like that. And these gestures can actually be enabled on a or disabled, so if they don't work for you, you want to go to settings, scroll down to additional settings, then go to gesture shortcuts, and over here we have take a screenshot where we have slide 3 fingers down, and partial screenshot where we have press and hold with 3 fingers. Besides that, there is one more way, more precisely in the control center, you should be able to find the screenshot button, this scissors one, so you can tap on it in order to capture a full screenshot. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.